Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video, I'm going to help you out on how to order on the Club Factory app. So now let's see how to order on the Club Factory app. First, download the app from the Play Store. Open the app, log in with your Gmail ID or Facebook ID. After you have logged in, go to the account settings and choose the country as India. Now press home to go to the home page to shop. Here you will find all the items from jewelries, clothing, home needs, organizers, shoes and whatnot. This is the overview of all the products that are available on Club Factory. If you want to buy a particular product, go to the categories and click on the option that you want to see. You can also search for the items that you want to shop. I have chosen clothes and then dresses. Now browse through the dresses available. If you like them, click on the picture to open. All the product price includes taxes, so you don't have to pay extra for taxes and there's no hidden charges. And there's also no minimum order quantity to avail free shipping. So all the products from Club Factory are shipped for free to India. Now select the size, color of the product and its quantity. If you just want to buy this item, then click buy now, or if you want to shop more from the Club Factory app, click add to cart. Now I'm clicking buy now option. Now in this step, you can add your address and check the order summary. Now click submit order. This will take you to the payment page. Here you can choose the mode of payment, credit card, debit card, Paytm or even cash on delivery. For COD, you will have to pay 103 rupees 57 paise extra. Now click pay now button. Make your payment. Now you can see a screen which says order confirm. It's easy and simple. I have uploaded Club Factory haul already and how Club Factory works videos on my channel. Do check that out. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.